feeling tired, dizzy, or constantly overheated. Your body might be struggling with excess body heat, and it's more common than you think. In this video, you'll discover the main causes, symptoms, and natural remedies to cool down your body temperature effectively and feel refreshed again. Your body normally maintains an internal temperature of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius, but sometimes it rises beyond this due to various factors. When your body can't release heat efficiently, it leads to a condition known as body heat or heat stress. This excess internal heat can make you feel fatigued, irritable, dehydrated, and even lead to skin problems or digestive issues. Body heat can be triggered by both environmental and lifestyle factors. Consuming spicy, oily, or fried foods can generate internal heat, especially when eaten in excess. Prolonged exposure to the sun, particularly during peak hours, also raises your body temperature. Not drinking enough water or fluids can leave your body dehydrated and overheated. Mental stress and anxiety have surprising effects on your body's internal balance, making it harder to cool down. Overexercising without adequate rest or hydration can further contribute to body heat. And habits like consuming too much caffeine or alcohol tend to dehydrate the body, indirectly spiking internal temperatures. You can identify body heat through several physical signs. These include excessive sweating even without activity, frequent mouth ulcers, unusually dark urine, itchy or irritated skin, rashes, and difficulty sleeping at night. You may also feel generally restless or experience digestive issues like acidity or heartburn, all signs that your body is overheating from the inside. To prevent body heat, the first and simplest step is to stay well hydrated by drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Avoid stepping out during the hottest part of the day, typically from noon to 4 p.m. Dress in light, breathable fabrics like cotton to allow your body to cool down naturally. Managing stress through deep breathing, meditation, or light walks can also help maintain your body's internal balance. Lastly, it's wise to cut down on spicy, fried, and processed foods, especially in warmer months. Top 10 Natural Remedies. If you're already experiencing body heat, there are several effective natural remedies you can try. Coconut water is a fantastic natural hydrator and coolant. Aloe vera juice works internally to cleanse and cool the digestive system. A glass of buttermilk, also known as chas, with a touch of mint and cumin, works wonders on hot days. Eating fresh cucumbers and watermelons helps because they're loaded with water and cooling nutrients. Mint tea or mint-infused water gives a refreshing cooling effect. Taking cool showers, especially after sun exposure, helps bring down body temperature quickly. Drinking fenugreek seed water, soaked overnight, helps detoxify and cool the body. Applying sandalwood paste on the forehead can reduce surface heat and induce calmness. Fennel seed water is another ancient remedy known for its soothing effect. And finally, lemon water mixed with a pinch of rock salt not only hydrates but also balances your body's pH and heat levels. Start your mornings with a glass of detox water like jeera or coriander seed water to flush out heat from your system. Avoid heavy meals at night and choose lighter, water-rich foods throughout the day. Incorporate more fruits, leafy greens, and yogurt in your meals. If you enjoy evening walks, step out after sunset when the temperature drops. Lastly, minimize excessive air conditioner use. Let your body adapt naturally by using fans and good ventilation whenever possible. With just a few lifestyle adjustments and natural remedies, you can control and reduce body heat effectively. Not only will you feel better physically, but your energy, digestion, and mood will also improve. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to chill, literally.